hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in today's video I'm going to be hitting you up with my March favourites, and I can't believe March has come to an end. I've not done anything. Let me know what you guys have been up to down below, but I've done absolutely nothing apart from eat my body weight in snacks. So let me know down below what you've been up to. I feel like this month I have a small amount of favourites. I have some Lush, I have some makeup, I have some odds and ends bits, but let me know down below if you still like favourites videos. I feel like they have kind of died down a little bit, but I would love to know if you would like these videos. Would you like me to carry on doing these videos? Or if there's any other videos that you want me to do, please let me know. I know you guys absolutely love Lush, but if there's anything else as well that you'd love to see, let me know down below. I need some ideas. I am scheduled up until kind of the end of May, but I can mix these up. So let me know what you're going to see. I'll make it happen. But yeah, anyway, March favourites. Let's go. Before I get into my monthly favourites, I do just want to give a little shout out to a company who sent me some products, and they've not paid me to say any of this whatsoever. These have just kindly been gifted, and they are from the brand NUDDY. I want to say it's pronounced NUDDY because I would read that as nudie, so I hope that's right. So they are an independent female-led British brand. Quite a mouthful to say, but all of their products are vegan, plastic-free, cruelty-free, SLS-free, and all made within the UK, which is absolutely fab. I love that. But they sent me some products, and I thought I need to share this with you guys. You guys love Lush, so you guys will love this. Honestly, wait for it. So the first thing they sent me was the Mango Soap Bar. Now, you guys know I buy a lot of Lush soap, so let's see how this can compare scent wise, and I really love mango, so I have high hopes for this. That smells, I've smelt that before, that smells like something like I've eaten. Shock. It's got like a, oh, that smells so nice. It smells like America, I don't know why. But this is what it looks like. It's just a square soap bar with NUDDY written in the middle. That smells unbelievable. Wow. The last thing they sent me was one of their shampoo bars. Now, you guys know I'm an absolute fiend for a Lush shampoo bar, and I'm so excited to try another brand. I have never tried another brand of shampoo bar before apart from Lush, so this is exciting, and they actually do 3 of these. So the first one they do is the Ultra Volume, which is acai berry and peach flavour. They also do the Daily Shine treatment, which is mint, lime and grapefruit flavours if you're going to eat it, scented. And the one that I've got is the Extra Thickening Shampoo Bar, which is cocoa and cardamom flavour. It's not flavour, but you guys know what I mean. Let's have a smell of this one. I'm so excited. This is going to smell amazing. Oh, it's so cute as well. It's actually really big compared to the Lush ones. That smells delicious. I could eat that. Definitely won't, but I could eat it. That's really subtle. Got like a coffee scent. Cocoa butter. That's delicious. And I love that it's not got any like plastic or anything. It's just in there chilling. And you get 100 plus washes with this, which is amazing. And price wise, these are £8.95, so very similar to the Lush ones in terms of price, but it has got some really lovely product ingredients in, and it smells amazing. So 10 out of 10. I love this, and I'm so thankful for NUDDY for sending me those. I will leave all their links down below, but yeah, just check them out. That's how you spell it. Go online, have a little look. I'm going to be trying both of those products really soon, and I will be posting reviews over on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on there to see an update of those. But yes, make sure you check them out. I will leave all the links down below, and thank you guys at NUDDY for sending me those. I'm so excited to give them a try, and yeah, they smell amazing, so thank you so much. So now moving on to all of my March favourites. The first item has actually been a Yankee Candle, and this is in the scent Vineyard or Vineyard. It's definitely Vineyard, isn't it? It's not Vineyard. Vineyard, and I absolutely love this. Please excuse how dirty this is. Obviously it goes all black from when you burn it, but this basically smells like American grape candy sweets. It smells unbelievable, and I really like this. It's very strong, so the scent kind of goes around my room super quick, and it just makes it smell delicious. So I love this, and it's just really sweet and fruity. I don't know whether you can buy this anymore. That is the only thing. I did buy this quite a while ago. I've had it a little while, but it does smell amazing. So if you can get your hands on this, buy it. and thank me later, it's delicious. So the next two items are both lip products. The first one is from Lime Crime, and I know that a lot of people don't like the company. I bought this years ago. It's probably not even in date, but I didn't want to throw it away and I didn't want to just not use it, so I am going to mention it in this video, but take it with a pinch of salt. I haven't bought from them in a very long time, but this is the Carousel Gloss in the shade Cherry on Top, and this is such a Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale vibe. It's what I've got on today and I absolutely love it. It's so pigmented, you would not believe. It is a little bit sticky, I'm not gonna lie. I would only wear this for filming and for photos, and then if I was eating or going anywhere, this would be right off my face. But I've been really enjoying this. I absolutely love it for pictures and I think it's stunning. It's got some really beautiful like gold glitter in it, and I think it just looks really different and unique, and I love the packaging. So 10 out of 10, I've been absolutely loving that recently. And the second lip product I've been obsessed with this month has been the Urban Decay Naked Lip Gloss in the shade Sasso, is it, or something, I don't even know. It's this really beautiful nudie colour that has gold glitter inside, and again, this one I love, but it does low-key smell like green tea, which is a bit weird to me, but I really like these. I've had this for a long time. This actually came in a set with an eyeshadow palette, but I got rid of that palette ages ago. I depanned the eyeshadows and got rid of it, but this is a really nice gloss. I just don't like the stickiness of this, but for photos and for videos, it is definitely a 10 out of 10, and I really like that. The next few items are hair care related. The first one is a bit random and a bit strange, but that is this clip. Now, I have been looking for a clip like this for the past month or so, and then I randomly the other day said to my mum, oh, can you just go and grab me like a hair clip to put in my hair? I think I was putting a hair mask on or something, and she brought down this, and I was like, where have we had that? Like, where has this been? And she was like, oh, it was in the spare room. And I was like, I've been looking for one like this for literally months. But it's a really beautiful clip that I can twist my hair up and put in the back of my hair like that. I am trying not to put heat on my hair or use horrible hair ties, anything like that at the moment, and obviously I have put a bit of heat on my hair today to put my extensions in, but in the week when I'm at work I will twist it, clip it up like this, and I'll just leave it, and I won't use a hair tie, I won't use any bobby pins, and it just makes my hair feel a lot better. So I've been loving these, and I believe you can buy these literally anywhere: Superdrug, Claire's Accessories, Amazon. It's a basic clip, but I love it. The next three products are all from the same brand, and I've had them in my wish list for the longest time, and you guys know that I am really into my hair care at the moment. I'm trying my best to grow it, keep it healthy, and they are all from the brand Olaplex. Now, I have Olaplex number 3, which is in my bathroom downstairs, but I really can't bother to go get it, I'm not gonna lie. But I have also got number 6 and number 7, which is the oil and looks like this, and I have been obsessed with these. Now, I'm not even joking, this is a true story. I used them once and Ryan said, your hair looks really thick and healthy and it looks really good. Have you used something different? This is what I've used, and guys, when I'm telling you these are so worth the money, I'm never gonna not use these ever. I use these today when I wash my hair and it just feels amazing. Obviously I've got extensions in, but my actual hair feels just unreal and just so healthy and soft and thick and amazing, and it's all down to these. And I am thinking of doing an entire video on my Olaplex routine and what I do with the products, because I know a lot of people use these differently, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, I'm obsessed. These have been a go-to of mine this month, and I'm so glad to finally have them. I'm not gonna lie, the bottles are tiny. Like, these were, I think they're £26 each. Look at the size of that, like £26. Are you having a joke? I don't even know what's in it, it doesn't even say, but it's probably just some sort of oil or something. But £26, very expensive. However, I would happily buy these again, and I will buy them again when they run out, because they are making my hair feel and look unreal. So obsessed. And the last two products are both Lush products. The first one is the Magic Crystals Body Scrub. Now, I recently got this in a video which I will share with you soon. I had to film it early so that I could unbox it, so that will be going up in a few weeks' time. But this has been my go-to body scrub over the past few days, and I've realised how much I'm obsessed with this, and I thought I would put it in a video just because I don't think I mentioned this that much. But this is the Magic Crystal Shower Scrub. Oh, it smells amazing. Do you remember the, what was it called? Salt and Peppermint Bark Body Scrub that came out for Christmas a few years ago? This smells exactly the same. It's purple. Love that. And it's got such a fine sea salt exfoliant that just gets rid of any dead skin, and it makes my skin feel amazing. So this has definitely been one of my favourites. I've been absolutely loving this, and if you've not tried it, definitely give it a go. I actually think I prefer this to rub, and I know that's saying something, but it's so good. So magic crystals, amazing. And lastly is another Lush item, and that has been one of my ultimate faves. You guys know this, I've mentioned this in so many videos, and that is the Mask of Magnaminty face mask. Now I love this product probably more than you should love a face mask, I'm not gonna lie, but this is a really beautiful mint face mask that's great for breakouts, spot prone skin, acne, redness, dry skin, everything. This is the best thing in the world, and I've had so many of you guys say that you've bought this because of my recommendation and that you absolutely love it and it's a staple. So if that's one of you guys, you're welcome. This is unreal. Like, if you've not tried it, please go and try it. Unless you've got super sensitive skin, this is amazing. One of my all-time faves, and I love it because it's green, so it looks like one of those kind of movie face masks that you see in the movies that people have. So I love it. 10 out of 10. Will always be a favourite of mine, and I just had to bring it in this video because it's a new pot, so love it. So that is everything for my March favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and like I said at the start, let me know down below if you still like these videos. If you don't, then maybe I could do something else, but let me know down below if you do, and also any video requests that you have. I know you guys want to see Lush, like I've said before, but I would love some Lush specific videos, and then maybe some non-Lush videos. That would be really great. But yes, anyway, I'm gonna go. My coffee is melting, so I'm gonna go drink that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me over on my Instagram, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!